Hello everybody, welcome to another Strike Zone. Happy Friday. Let's get right into it. New information for this week. Number one, I included a cutout from the USBC bowling rules on bowling etiquette. It's early in the year. We've got a lot of new bowling programs, which is a great thing. It's also important to start everybody's season off on the right note. Make sure you coaches, you read through this bowling etiquette section that I've included in this week's Strike Zone. And make sure your team's following it. Make sure you are watching your fans as well. But again, take a look at that and let me know if you got questions. Also, I had another question arise this week regarding the match score sheet template. That's included again in this week's Strike Zone. Also, a few reminders on reporting results. Make sure you're getting those results in timely fashion. I've got the steps outlined in this week's Strike Zone. And then last but not least, I've emailed this, but I included the link. Make sure you take a look at that 2023 State Bowling Championship schedule. Again, it's going to be expanded to 3 days. Our NSAA board just approved that this week. But each class will compete over a 2-day period. So again, that is posted. Also, I will be releasing district assignments very, very soon. And if you are somebody that wants to host a district site, let me know ASAP if you haven't done so already, because I will then work towards getting those sites landed. Everybody have a great weekend, and we'll talk soon.